In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable voice typing on Android. So if you want to enable the voice typing, for that what you have to do is open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Now what you have to do is find the option for system and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the system interface. You can see various options over here. Find the option for languages and input and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to access the settings related with languages and inputs. What you have to do is find this option for on-screen keyboard and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you can see this option for Google Voice Typing. Make sure to toggle this button on and tap on this option OK. Now the voice typing has been enabled. Now you can simply go to any area where you can type. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the microphone icon that you can see on the keyboard. Now you can simply input your voice and it will be typed. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you enable voice typing on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.